Hello teachers, today we are going to teach you about of marking the attendance. Marking of attendance is very important. Teacher have to mark the attendance after the class. So for marking the attendance, these are the steps. This is the process. Now we will teach you this process in detail on our Swiftlearn admin panel. For marking the attendance, teacher have to log into the Swiftlearn admin panel from their register contact number as the username and the password. And after that, click on the login. Once you will click on the login, this page will be open. Now, here in the left hand side, teacher have to drag their mouse and from this gray bar, drag this down. Teacher will get the column for the class. Click on the class option. Now, teacher have to click on the future class. Once you will click on the future class, after that, teacher have to apply the date range here. So here in the date range, on this line, teacher have to click single click and wait for 2-3 seconds. This calendar will be open. Now, suppose I have the class at today, I have ended it. Now, after the class, I wanted to mark the attendance. So I need to select today's date. For selecting any single date, teacher have to click 2 times on a single date. Why? One is for date range start, one is for date range end, and after that, teacher can cross check here two selected. Now click on the OK and apply. So once you will click on the OK and apply, after that, from this gray bar, drag your dashboard down like this. Once you will done, here in the dashboard, you can able to see the today's classes. So these are the classes. Now from the class ID, just find out that for which class you wanted to mark the attendance. So marking the attendance is very important. After the class, teacher have to mark the attendance. So here, this is a tab from where teacher can update the attendance. How? Teacher have to click on this attendees button. The tab will be open. Now here this page will be open. In this page, teacher will get the list of the student and the student ID. So student ID is a kind of a roll number. Now in trial class, before entering in the class, teacher can click on the attendees column and just have a look who all are the student of the class. Now after the class, if I wanted to mark the attendance of each student, for that I have to click on this edit button, which I will get it in right side top. Once I click on the edit button, this page will be open. Now here, first thing I'm getting is student ID. It is a kind of a roll number, name of the student, class type, general remarks. So this class type and general remarks is for the Swiftlearn use. Teacher, no need to use these tab. Teacher have to mark the attendance from here, attendance column, tell responsiveness. How? Now, suppose I wanted to mark the attendance for this student. Teacher have to click here on this attendance, and after that, go with the first option present. And after that, teacher have to mark the attentiveness of the student as per the observation in the class of the student, like high, moderate, low, and same for the responsiveness. Now, second option says absent. Suppose this student was absent, teacher have to mark absent automatically. This column will be frozen. No need to update this column. My third option says present but internet issue. So this means if the student was present but somehow they have any internet issue in the class. So after the class, mark this option. No need to fill this option. Automatically these column will be frozen. In this way, teacher have to mark the attendance for every student. Once teacher will be done marking the attendance, after that teacher have to save the attendance from save button, which you will get in right side top. Once you will click on the save button, that means you have marked the attendance of the class. So in this way, you can mark the attendance of the class, and it is very important. After the class, teacher have to mark the attendance. Thank you.